Bob, let's start with you and start from the top. You've been over there for, gosh, about 4 years. I know it takes a lot you got to undo before you can redo. And I know you've been working both sides of that, and I think you're in the do part now, so to speak. And why don't you give us a top line as to what's going on over there and what's this new responsibility you've now taken on?
Sure thing, Luke. It's good to be here today with all of you. So yes, it is officially 4 years in August. So it's been
Yeah.
sure. Where we're at right now, we've finished a lot of the work that we started the first year. I concentrated on building the right team, certain hiring actions, getting the right technical folks in, and the program managers. Years 2 and 3, we built our new environments that CISA has now fully migrated to. So we have our own unclassified operating environments now, and we did things very different. When I first got here, there was not a lot of the functional elements that the other DHS components had. We didn't have a security operations center or other things. Now we have a fully fledged security operations center that's modeled more on the commercial sector vice typical government SOCs, because we didn't have a lot of that kind of the baggage from the way things were done before. So we have a lot of automation. We're pushing forward really hard on artificial intelligence, machine learning, in our security operations. And then we kind of worked really hard to build something different. So, we're officially Active Directory free in our new operating environment, which is pretty cool. There's no hybrid, there's no legacy domain controllers, there's nothing. We built a new pure environment that we migrated to. And really, where I'm concentrating now, back in February, we had been running some of our cyber engineering functions separate from the CIO's office. So we spent the last kind of three years unifying under the CIO, all the other IT. We made a decision back in February that we're going to unify everything and operate like the rest of the department. So I oversee that now, and those are some very large programs that we run for analytic systems, defense of the federal civilian executive branch, and what we're really charging hard on that. I'm very big on we should not be spending all our money on program management. How do we drive more of those dollars into delivery, capacity building, and execution? So we've made some real decisions that we can talk about now on deprecating legacy technologies, getting out of some of our legacy environments, including on-premise, and then just a deeper relationship with our operators and threat hunting, capacity building, the Joint Cyber Defense Collaborative, and vulnerability management. So that's kind of where we are right now.
Uh,